Assalamu alaikum mabe mikwano mbala musizo. Okay, I hope you're having an amazing Moi day and you're just having fun. Alright, so I started this 72 hours trial on Monday, that was 8th of October, and I had already uploaded some of my 2 videos of how I was going through. So yesterday I was at work, which was like I'm going to complete my 24 hours, and then I took a rest from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then I started again another 12 hours shift from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. So yesterday I did not take any videos. I was cranky, I was tired, I was hungry and dehydrated because I saw since in the 12 hours I cannot go to any rest breaks. I needed to cut down on my water intake and my food intake because I cannot take in any food that is going to trigger some kind of stomach upsets. And I'm still learning of what type of food can give me some type of stamina and endurance so that I'm not hungry. And also I need to see how I can take sips of water or maybe gulps. I'm still thinking of what to do because I don't want to start feeling that the urgency of going to pee. Or should I wear pampers? I've never worn a pampers. I don't know if I have to buy an adult pampers. Damn. The journey. Alright, so that's something that I need to think about it. And so yesterday at 12 a.m. going to Wednesday 10th, which is today, to 1 a.m. I had to take my rest. That was my third rest in that journey of 72 hours. So I slept. I did not shower. I wasn't feeling like showering or brush my teeth or comb my hair. I just wanted to go through it and just have my 1 hour. I didn't want to waste my 1 hour. I just wanted to sleep because it was like midnight that I had to start my rest for 1 hour till 1 a.m. So this is what happened. I slept on my pillow, which I had missed it for a long time. The comfort that is just 4 or 5 steps away from this chair. I went and slept, and guess what? I set the alarm at 1 a.m. and I did not hear the alarm. I failed. Okay, I completed 36 hours. Yeah, just half of 72 hours, but I was at home. So my bed, I snugged into my bed and I put my head on my pillow. Okay, I like soft pillows. Put my head on my pillow and I took my bed sheet and covered myself, and then like seriously, I woke up at exactly 8:45 or 8:30, somewhere there. Oh my god, so that was the 6 hours complete. Okay, so now I have to do another trial, and I will do it on the 15th of October. I will do it a 72-hour trial again. Yeah, so now I know how I am in the 6 hours, how I was coping. It was kind of boring for me because I don't know what to do from the time I finished my work, because I work a 6-hour shift at work from 9 to 3. So after that, it's like when I come home from 6 p.m. towards midnight, towards early hours of the morning, I needed to be active. So I was like, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? I clean the house, I mop the house, I wipe the windows, I do this, I do that. Maybe I should just buy paint and start painting the house by myself. Maybe that will make me occupied, because after 3 or 4 hours of reading, then you start thinking of what to do. I don't want to go into a mental state and start thinking like the purpose, the fulfillment, the passion, the love. I start talking to myself and I'll go crazy, like I'll be a zombie, a good zombie. But anyway, that was 36 hours. I could not complete 72 hours, but I am determined to complete 72 hours because that is my final goal. But if I had told you that, yay, I had finished 72 hours, like seriously, that would be like complete lie. It is my first time. People know me that I don't go to Kesha and all that stuff. People know that Maliha is not a night person. I like sleeping. I start sleeping at 10 and wake up at 4 every single day because I like waking up at 4 and do my work, because at 4 o'clock, you have like, it's alone time. My daughters are not there to disturb me. I have peace of mind. I have things to strategize and things to do. I want to make a difference. So what is my ABCs and how to get the ABCs? There's so many things that happens. At early hours in the morning, you are talking to you, trying to rediscover you, trying to get you back. You are here, like metaphorically. You know what I mean, like seriously. But anyway, I just had a nice mug, not cup, mug. I love tea. I love tea. I love coffee. So I had a nice mug of coffee and had an omelette with 3 toasts of bread. I was hungry. I was. And then also my friend, my neighbor, who's just right there, she's like, you know what? You need to go to the ocean. So we just left, and I was tired, of course, and I was feeling so bad. I was feeling so guilty, like, oh my God, why did I not finish the 72 hours? But hey, guess what? I'm not gonna let anybody down. I have a lot at stake, and I have a lot to prove. So on the 15th of October, I will do it again. I could have done it during the weekend, but I have a big meeting on the 13th of October at Fire's Bakery, where I'm going to choose my volunteers. So I need to be in a good state of mind. I need to be prepared. So now I'm preparing myself for the meeting, and I'm praying, and I know that it's going to be a successful meeting. But anyway, this is me. Happy Moi Day, everybody in Kenya, and I'll see you back on the 15th of October for the second documentary of my 72-hour journey. Thank you.